Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Samsung Microwave Oven MW5500D, a versatile kitchen appliance that promises to enhance your cooking experience with its advanced features and innovative technology. This microwave is designed to offer convenience, efficiency, and a stylish addition to any kitchen. Let's dive into what makes the Samsung MW5500D a top choice for your cooking needs. Design and build quality. The Samsung MW5500D stands out with its modern design and durable construction. Sleek design. Featuring a contemporary design with a black or stainless steel finish, it seamlessly blends with various kitchen decors. Compact size. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably in kitchens of all sizes without compromising on capacity. Robust construction. Built with high-quality materials, the MW5500D ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Key features. The Samsung MW5500D comes packed with features to enhance your culinary adventures. LED display. The bright LED display provides clear visibility of cooking times, power levels, and other settings. The intuitive touch control panel makes it easy to navigate through the microwave's various functions and settings. Ceramic enamel interior. The scratch-resistant ceramic enamel interior is easy to clean and helps prevent bacterial growth. Cooking performance. Designed for optimal cooking performance, the MW5500D delivers consistent results, even heating. The microwave's triple distribution system ensures even heating for thoroughly cooked food. Multiple power levels. With 10 power levels, you can precisely control the cooking intensity to suit different types of dishes. Sensor cook. Sensor technology automatically adjusts cooking time and power for optimal results with various foods. Defrost and reheat functions. Convenience is a key aspect of the MW5500D. Power defrost. The power defrost function quickly and evenly defrosts frozen food, reducing preparation time. Reheat function. The reheat feature is perfect for warming up leftovers, providing quick and consistent results. Eco mode. The MW5500D is designed with energy efficiency in mind. Eco mode. The Eco mode significantly reduces standby power consumption, helping you save on energy bills while being environmentally friendly. Safety features. Safety is paramount with the Samsung MW5500D. Child safety lock. The child safety lock prevents accidental operation, ensuring the safety of your family. Cool touch door. The cool touch door remains safe to touch even during operation, preventing accidental burns. Maintenance. The MW5500D is designed for easy maintenance. Easy clean interior. The smooth ceramic enamel interior makes it easy to wipe away spills and splatters. Deodorization setting. The deodorization setting helps to eliminate lingering odors, keeping the interior fresh and clean. Price and value. The Samsung Microwave Oven MW5500D offers excellent value with its combination of advanced features, reliable performance, and stylish design. It's a versatile appliance that simplifies your cooking tasks and enhances your kitchen experience. In conclusion, the Samsung Microwave Oven MW5500D is a powerful and convenient appliance that brings efficiency, versatility, and modern design to your kitchen. Whether you're defrosting, reheating, or cooking a meal from scratch, this microwave has the features and performance to meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.